Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking decisive action. Grab a sturdy backpack or plastic tote and clear a surface. First, place 2 liters of water per person and 72 hours of non-perishable food inside. You need hydration and calories immediately. Next, add important documents, ID copies and a sealed list of emergency contacts so you can move fast. Finally, drop in a durable flashlight, spare batteries, and a multi-tool. Once packed, seal and label the kit with today's date. Now you focus on comfort and function. Add clothing layers like a thermal blanket and a rain poncho because temperature and wetness change rapidly. Make sure prescribed medications supply covers 7 days and include common over-the-counter items, pain reliever, bandages, antiseptic, so minor issues don't become major ones. For utility, tuck in a portable phone charger, a paper local map, and about $20 in cash. Once these go in, organize similar items into small zip bags for quick access. Finish by validating the kit. You methodically run a checklist and test each device. Turn on the flashlight, tune the radio, charge the power bank, so nothing surprises you. Replace weak batteries and rotate food and meds every 6 months to keep supplies viable. Make the kit accessible. Place the main pack by the exit and stash a compact version in your car. If something fails during testing, swap that item immediately and note it on the checklist for the next review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.